In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Replit account. If you've decided to leave Replit, the deletion option is tucked inside your account and billing settings. Before you begin, keep in mind that deleting your account removes your profile on projects and any associated data. If there's anything you might want later, take a moment beforehand to save or export it from your workspace. Also, if you have an active paid plan, you'll see it reflected in the billing area we're about to visit. Start on your Replit dashboard. In the top left corner, click the Replit logo. That opens the main menu so you can access your personal settings. From that menu, choose Account. This takes you into the Account Settings area where all your profile and management options live. Next, head to the Billing section. Billing is where Replit lists your current plan, payment details, and subscription controls. It's the place you'll use to make changes to your subscription and, importantly for today, to begin the account deletion process. Inside Billing, click Manage Subscription. Even if you're on the free plan, you'll still have a Manage option here. It may appear as a button or a link, and you might need to scroll a bit depending on your screen size. Selecting this opens the subscription management page. On that page, look for Request Account Deletion and click it. Replit puts this action here because deletion impacts your plan and any paid add-ons, so they want you to confirm it from the same spot where billing is controlled. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read it carefully so you understand what will be removed and whether the action can be undone. When you're ready, confirm the deletion request. After you confirm, Replit will process the request. You may be signed out as part of the process, and your account will be scheduled for removal according to their policies. And that's it. To recap, from your dashboard, click the Replit logo, select Account, go to Billing, choose Manage Subscription, click Request Account Deletion, and confirm. If at any point you change your mind before confirming, simply back out of the billing page and no changes will be made. Thanks for watching. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free. If you found it helpful, feel free to save this guide for reference the next time you manage your Replit settings.